Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. The holiday season is just around the corner, and I'm super excited to share with you guys my swatches for HOLO TACO's 2021 Christmas Collection. Yes, it's Christmas without an H because of Christine's name. In case you guys didn't know, Christine is the owner of HOLO TACO, and she's a YouTuber, and her channel is Simply Nailogical. Okay, so let's get back to the collection. This is the limited edition box. And as you can see, it's super big and it looks like a holiday present and it's holographic. The black parts of the box has a glittery texture and it's also holographic. At the back of the box, you can see the shade names. Now let's open it. It's neatly placed like a Christmas tree. Let me give you guys a closer look. The red background is also holographic. Now let's remove it from the box. By the way, this was purchased at the Lazy Girl shop on Shopee. Link will be available on the description box below. Look at how well made this box set is. And we have here the 6 shades. Now let's open the individual boxes. Now that we're done, it's time to swatch these beautiful holographic nail polishes. Of course, before swatching, I already applied a base coat. Let's start with gold play button first. Now for the second coat. Gold play button is described as: your nails will be so highly viewed after wearing this polish that you'll deserve your own gold play button. This true gold holographic glitter polish is packed with 3 different sizes of gold holographic glitter in a slightly tinted yellow gold jelly base to let the gold holo glitters show through for maximum top of the Christmas tree impact. We didn't count, but there could be 1 million holes in this bottle. Second shade is Plum Lock. Now for the second coat. Plum luck is described as: wear this shade for some plum luck this holiday season. This unique shade of plum purple holo will captivate everyone at the holiday party with its silver and magenta holographic glitters. No one wants plum pudding this Christmas. We only want plum holo. Third we have is Everything is Fine. Now for the second coat. Everything is Fine is described as: when people ask you how is it going this holiday season, just say everything's fine. This bright emerald green polish will lift your spirits with its multi-faced green holo sparkle. Holo so bright, the Grinch stole Christmas. Fourth shade is Choco Holo. Now for the second coat. Choco Holo is described as: the holiday feast may be great, but make sure to save room for some Choco Holo. This chocolate brown holo glitter shade is a delicious treat for your tips. A unique combination of gold holographic glitters in different sizes set in a medium brown jelly base. The final result is too delicious to eat. And it's also nail polish. Next shade is Black Holo Wish. Now for the second coat. Black Holo Wish is described as: you've been granted your Black Holo Wish. This dark sparkler is packed with 100% real black and silver holographic glitters in a tinted black jelly base for the ultimate black holo blend. Share the black holo spirit with others this holiday season or get one all for yourself. We won't tell. And lastly we have is Naughty List. Now for the second coat. Naughty list is described as: just spoke to Santa. They said your naked nails are on the naughty list. This deep red holo glitter polish is packed with micro, small, and medium-sized silver and red holographic glitters in a red jelly base for a sparkly ruby red finish. This polish is way better than a lump of coal. And here are all of my swatches. Honestly, everything from this collection is perfect for the holiday season, and everything is 100% holographic. From the box, to the details, and to the polishes, I'm really loving it. I think applying 2 coats of it is enough to be opaque, but it's completely up to you if you want to add more. HOLO TACO is in 12 ml bottle, 5 free, vegan, cruelty free, and it's made in USA. Among these shades, which do you think is your favorite? If you're gonna ask me, well, I have to pick... Well, I really don't know, but I think the one that's so unique is Plum Luck. Oh, and also Choco Holo. I'm so excited to use these for my upcoming holiday nail arts. By the way, I already posted swatch pictures of these on my Instagram, so don't forget to check that out. I'll be leaving the official links of HOLO TACO on the description box below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe, happy holidays, bye!